Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to HBI Auto. We are starting our video off in the 2015 Cayman GTS. This is the 981 generation, and honest to God, I really do think I love this car. Like, this is such a good car, and it's, I would say, top 5 Porsche for me. Maybe not top 5, maybe like top 10. But anyways, we're gonna go for a drive really quick. If you're already curious about this car, go ahead and click the link in the description. Without further ado, let's go for a drive. And of course, we have to roll in Sport Plus mode, because there's literally no other way to drive. You guys can hear this exhaust. It's the factory active exhaust. Sounds amazing, and it also has really good backfires and burbles, and it's kind of enjoyable. I really do like it. It's really nice to just take this out for a drive, because the beauty of this GTS is that it's very universally capable, meaning that you can throw it on the track, you can use it as a daily driver, you can use it as a weekend car, you can drive it in all sorts of weather and really just get the most out of this car. And I've also mentioned before that I love Caymans because of that dual trunk space and the front space, and then you also have just tons of good storage in this car that can't be found in, say, like a 911. I would honestly put this car like pretty comparable to the 2015 GT3, and also I would put it against like a 2016 GT4. If you're looking to get a GT4 but you don't want to deal with a really just obnoxiously long second gear, consider the Cayman GTS, because it's such a good car that gives you that, it pretty much gives you that same feeling that you're driving a full-on GT race car and track car, but you're still in really comfortable seats. As you guys can see, these are like the sport hardback seats that can also be found in a GT4. So it's really just, it's all around enjoyable, and we're just gonna go dive right into it. So this is the interior of this 981 Cayman GTS. This is a beautiful, pretty simple black on black interior. Obviously you have these silver accents in here, but it's just really clean and easy on the eyes, in my opinion. Now, you do have hints of Alcantara. You do have like a black or really dark gray deviated double stitching right there with the leather on top. It's just a really clean and very simple interior, but it's just so well built. Like, I love the quality that Porsche puts out with the GT interiors. Like, it's very well maintained and put together. Now, like I said, you have Sport Plus mode, you have your active exhaust and your active aero, which is really nice. Again, 42,000 miles on here. The seats, like I mentioned earlier, are like the sport bucket back seats, like they're the hard back seats, and they are manually adjusted. They're not automatic adjusted, but these are really nice. I really like that GTS that's stitched into there. These are leather seats, and then you have the Alcantara inserts right there, and that's something that I really love about like the 718 GTS and the 981 GTS, is that, you know, even though it is, you know, people are gonna look at it and it's like, it's just a Cayman though, but it's a nice Cayman. Like, it's really nice, and honestly, I would compare it just as much as like a GT3. So this is the exterior of this 981 Cayman GTS. Very simple exterior, fully white, and then you have the black accents. You have the 5-spoke wheels with the steel brakes on there. It's really just a simple and kind of basic exterior, but it looks so good, and I really do love this, in my opinion. I love these taillights. They're kind of the clear, they're like the semi-clear, semi-red. Active aero wing, like I mentioned earlier. You have your center exit exhaust. Like I've mentioned with other Cayman videos, you do have your storage, and then you have your engine that sits right behind your head right there. Another thing that I really love about the Caymans, like the 981, 718, they have that brake light right there now, and it's a nice little touch. They didn't have to do that, clearly, but it's a really nice touch. That's gonna wrap it up for today's video, guys. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a huge thumbs up. If you are interested in this 981 Cayman GTS, I've left the link in the description below so you can check out more photos and get in contact with the team about picking up this Cayman. But I digress. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.